Is Elden Ring stuck on a white screen and won't launch? Here's how to fix it fast. Step 1. Update your GPU drivers. Outdated drivers are the 1% cause of white screen crashes. Step 2. Verify game files on Steam. Right-click Elden Ring and then Properties and then Installed Files and then verify integrity of installed files. Step 3. Disable overlays like Steam, Discord, or GeForce Experience. They often conflict with the game. Step 4. Your settings manually. Go to the config file in app data and then Elden Ring and set it to windowed or borderless to force a stable launch. Step 5. If it still crashes, reinstall the latest DirectX and Visual C++ redistributors, then restart your PC. With these quick fixes, you should be back exploring the lands between without that dreaded white screen. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.